and welcome to day 9, the final and bonus session of our end of financial year mini-series. My name's Amanda. You may recall me from the very first kickoff of this series, and I'm here today with Jono, who many of you may know as one of our on-the-ground experts. We are both so excited to be here today to share with you some exclusive updates and some feature release announcements that will be coming to you very soon. Let's just have a bit of a recap though. Over this course of the series, we've covered so much ground. We've had industry updates, we've looked at apps, we've had hot tips and tricks, the all-important data migration, moving clients to the cloud and how to frame those difficult conversations, marketing your practice, community, and of course, how to sell your services virtually in this environment. That has been a jammed-packed agenda. Jono, tell us, how do you think this is being received and what have been some of your favorite moments?
Oh, Amanda, thanks. It's been a wonderful series so far, and we've really enjoyed it internally as well as just the engagements with our accountants following the conversations that have been generated from this, and just the conversation points that have been raised. It's great to be able to share good content from industry leaders as well as our most valued and trusted partners to share with tips and tricks. Some key highlights for me, obviously the migration day. It's good to move data over, and I was happy to be able to go through that with the guys. And from our side, we'd just like to thank you for taking this journey with us. These morning coffees with you have been really special, and we've really enjoyed having you on board and being able to connect with you. And we look forward to the next one.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, it's been wonderful to have hundreds and hundreds of advisors join us every morning at 9 a.m. I mean, we do wish that we could be doing this in person, but we really have felt the warmth and the connections that we've been creating virtually, which do go a long way in these times, right?
For sure.
So back to brass tacks and of course the things that we're here to talk about. So releases and updates. So it has been a busy year, and sometimes little releases and updates can be missed along the way. So we put together a bit of a quick snapshot of how far we have in fact come in terms of the investments and the innovation we've brought to market this year. From machine learning to enhanced customizations, we really have been continuously working to make QuickBooks the best accounting system, I think, in the world. Over the last 12 months, it's important to recognize we also continue to do a ton of work that sits behind the scenes, all those back-end fixes, ensuring we're investing in the automation that you don't often see, and making sure that this continues to be the most secure platform for you to be doing business. We've got 12 different things here for those accountants among us that would average out to one a month, right, Jono? Tell us, what do you think some of the favorites have been?
No, definitely, man. It has been a hot year for releases, more than we've seen in a while, and it's great to see the development coming out of the Intuit stable. From our side, two key points would be the App Store. That was a really big one this year. Having the ability to see which and what apps integrate with QBO right inside the product and be able to have those integrate from Word dot is great to see, as well as the WhatsApp sharing. That was also quite a big one this year, where we have the ability to overcome some of the challenges of mail and connectivity through the use of our mobile networks and our social media. Look out for a few more of those to come. Right now we're doing invoices. There'll be obviously a few more releases on that front coming soon.
Yeah, absolutely. The ability to be able to send invoices across, any of those iOS platforms, as you said, it's a real game changer, and has really enabled. The feedback we're getting is that small businesses can be dynamic with how they're, engaging with getting paid and getting paid faster. So, great innovation.
Definitely. Thanks.
But we are here to talk about what's new. So we have two incredible updates to talk about. The first one is, in fact, Books Review. So we are super excited to reveal the release of QuickBooks exclusive accountants tools to provide you with the edge to drive efficiency in your practice. So some of you may be familiar with month-end review workflow, and we've now renamed that to Books Review with the additional 3 extremely useful features. And now that provides that end-to-end overview and seamless client collaboration that we know makes a difference to your practices and of course how you engage with your customers. Jono, can you tell us a little bit about what those key differences are in Books Review?
Yeah, Amanda, look, some of you might be familiar with a few of the features that are in there. And as you say, it's been rebranded and it's been bolstered up. We have now the setup as a new feature, which streamlines that process of automating the data entry and bringing your books up to speed instantly. We also have a big one, which is the client collaboration that's been added in. And that's a seamless collaboration to help you and your clients capture all of your transactions. so you can view and accept those data queries simultaneously. Further to that, we have the wrap-up, which allows you to automate the final steps of closing your book. So all in all, it makes for feature-rich parts of the product, and we're happy to be able to showcase this to you.
Yeah, absolutely. And when we say this is launching this week, I mean we are talking, today. Certainly by Monday we should have this ready to go. So this is a fresh off the ranks review. We are going to be able to hear now from Leah, our global product manager, who's going to take you through how this is working in practice end to end. Let's introduce Leah.
Hi, my name is Leah, and I'm a product manager on the QuickBooks Online Accountant team. Today, I'm excited to share how we're helping you grow your practice and scale your impact with Books Review, your new end-to-end bookkeeping workflow. Last year, we introduced Month-End Review, a monthly bookkeeping workflow that helps you quickly and efficiently get to complete and high-quality books each month. Month-End Review breaks your bookkeeping process into 3 simple steps: transaction review, account reconciliation, and final review. Now we're introducing setup and wrap up, expanding this to an end-to-end bookkeeping workflow called Books Review. We've also reimagined how you capture missing information from your clients, introducing transaction collaboration, which can be accessed right from within Books Review. Let's get started. The Setup tab can be found in your new Books Review workflow, previously named Month-End Review. In the first section of the Setup tab, you can review and adjust company settings. The second section provides links to the financial statements, so you can quickly and easily find your starting point. The third section allows you to make opening balance adjustments. Simply enter the beginning statement balance. The difference to adjust will be calculated automatically. Select an adjusting equity account and click Add Adjustment. This will open up your journal entries with the previous calculations and entries already pre-populated. Click Save, and in a snap, your journal entries are complete. Along the way, you can track your progress, ensuring that your team has visibility into the work that has been completed and can seamlessly pick up where you left off. In the last section, you can investigate common issues, such as disconnected or inactive bank accounts, or duplicate charts of accounts, and make updates as needed. With bookkeeping setup, you can execute your setup tasks efficiently and prevent rework during cleanup and monthly bookkeeping. Now that your setup is complete, you're ready to start reviewing transactions. There's just one problem. You're missing a critical piece of information, or 2, from your clients. With transaction collaboration, you can seamlessly collaborate with your clients to capture missing transaction level information. You can also review and accept their answers, all without spreadsheets or leaving your workflow. The new transaction collaboration functionality can be found in the Transaction Review tab within Books Review. As you begin reviewing transactions, select those that you need more information from your client. Under Actions, select Ask Client. This will open up a new request for your client with the transactions you selected pre-populated as questions within the request. Click Send, and your request is ready for your client to review. Your client will see transaction collaboration requests within the My Accountant tab, along with shared documents. When your client clicks on the request, they will be prompted to provide information for each missing transaction. After your client has submitted their answers, you'll be notified. You will also see the status of each question right within the Transaction Review tab. Now that you have the information you need, you can review their answers and complete your transaction review. With transaction collaboration, it's easier than ever to deliver complete, high-quality books each month. Now that the bookkeeping is done, it's time to share the state of the books with your client. To help ensure a successful month-end close, we've introduced a new step into your workflow, Wrap Up. The Wrap Up tab can be found in your new Books Review workflow. In the Wrap Up tab, you can prepare and send a report package to your client and close the books so that you set yourself up for success next month. To prepare a report package to send to your client, click on the link within the Prepare Report Package task card. This will allow you to choose from management reports you have created for your client. Select a report package, review, and update the details, and save. To send the report package, click on the link within the Send Report Package task card. This will bring you to Management Reports, where you can send the report to your client with just a few clicks. These reports, coupled with your expertise, can empower you to advise and guide your clients in strategic decisions that power their success and the success of your partnership. Similar to other tabs in the Books Review workflow, you can track your progress along the way, ensuring that your team has visibility into the work that has been completed and can seamlessly pick up where you left off. Finally, you can close the books, setting you and your client up for success next month. Well, that wraps up our demo. I hope it was one for the books. I'm excited to share that these features are available now. We can't wait to hear your feedback. Thanks for watching.
That was fantastic, Jono. Isn't it good to see how that product is in fact going to work end to end?
Wow.
And how that integrates?
It's just amazing, Amanda. I'm looking forward to hearing the feedback from our accountants once they get through this this content, and looking forward to having it in practice.
Absolutely. And of course, it's included in the subscription. This is just an additional feature that we know makes life just that little bit simpler. But speaking of things that are included in the subscription, we have one extra big product update. So we are here to announce that coming very soon is receipt capture. So receipt capture is going to allow your clients to be able to use their mobile device anywhere, anytime to capture receipts. And from there, QuickBooks AI is going to automatically extract the data to create a new expense or to match the receipt to an existing QBO expense. So this is that snap and upload via an app, or of course, if they prefer, they can still upload receipts in bulk using an email directly into their QBO account. Most importantly, this is no limit on receipts that are going to be uploaded. And of course, it's included in your subscription already. So it is going to be a great experience that we know is going to streamline the way that you're interacting with your customers, and of course, how your customers are taking their receipts straight from purchase right the way through into their books. The web experience is going to be available in February, and a full app experience is coming to you and your clients in early March. Jono, we can't underemphasize just how much this is going to be a game changer.
Yeah, definitely, Amanda. I mean, this is something really to look forward to in the new tax year for Intuit and for QuickBooks Online. On average, your clients, our accountants' clients, spend 15 hours a month organizing receipts. So to be able to just put that aside and spend less time actually manually entering their expenses, this is going to take a lot of the small businesses' shoulders and allow the accountants a lot more freedom in terms of finalizing those books. So it will allow us to always be ready for tax time, and obviously remove that dread from having to sort through the bills. Also, the fact of it being free, built in and not bolt on. This is an amazing value add to the product, to your already existing subscriptions, and could perhaps save you a bit of time and money along the way.
Absolutely. So we're going to have a little bit more information coming soon, but this is absolutely, this is about to land, and a great one to be looking forward to, and considering how that might integrate into your existing workflows so that you can make use of that efficiency right from day one. So we just want to, start to get close to the end, and we're going to talk a little bit about certification. So if you are yet to be QuickBooks certified, this is the right time for you to be looking at taking that next step. We've got 2 day sessions coming up in the early March, which are available to be registered, and we'll put it into the chat function below. Jono, tell us a little bit about why should we think about getting certified?
So yes, Amanda, thanks. The certification definitely helps you to be, give you that advantage over the competitors in the marketplace. And one of the key features of that is the ability to get your clients to go and give you feedback. So it would be a good hint to go and build that into your signatures on your emails when you're dealing with customers, and just asking them to rate your service. So obviously you can up your rankings in the pro advisor space.
Absolutely. Look, it is a great way for you to ensure that you really are at the leading edge of everything you need to know about QuickBooks, and of course be able to prove that to your customers, and validate all the experience that you've got on this platform. So absolutely register. As John said, it is free, and it's a great experience to really hone your expertise. So we are coming to the pointy end now. If you are looking to take use of all of the goodness that we have talked about in terms of product updates, Jono, what's the best way for us to do that?
Well, Amanda, just sign up for your wholesale pricing. I mean, it's available to all the accountants on the platform. And just for those that don't really know what it is, we have a list price which we offer to our end users, so clients can sign up to QuickBooks Online themselves. But for our accountants, we have a special rate, and this is an ongoing perpetual discount of 50% off whatever the retail price is at the moment. So this is across our product range at the same time. So you can use this in one of two ways: either to build a revenue stream as a bit of a profit margin that you can build in, or you can use it as a value add to the current charges that you have with your clients, and just build that product value or that software value in, given the fact that you're getting a bit of a better rate at the same time. To add to that, we also have these great onboarding offers, and what this helps with doing is to really sort of give you that extra nudge to bring over your bases, the guys that are ready to move to the online space. Let's have a look at their needs, and we could either put them in one of two buckets, and we can either start them on a simple start package where we could give you 10 of these files for 360 Rand a month. This would be for the first year. Thereafter, that pricing reverting back to the great 50% wholesale billing price. And we also have the plus package available on offer there, and there you can get 5 files for 500 Rand a month. Those files also running for the full 12 months before reverting back to a wholesale billing. So that gives you a nice opportunity to really ease your customers into the monthly charges, if that's a route that you're looking to go, or also just give you a break as you migrate the clients and their data and get them used to that digital online space. So that's a really nice offering from Intuit. It is a limited time offer, so yeah, please reach out to your BDMs if you guys have any questions at all. We'll be happy to assist with any details you might need on this, and help you to get these clients loaded.
Thanks, Johnny, for all of those details. So we are going to summarize what it is that we have been looking at over the course of this series. So I know that we've been hearing from you throughout the last couple of weeks, and many of you have taken different bits away based on where you are in your current cloud migration journey and adoption. So you might have something different, but my top tip is be proactive and just do at least one thing, and look at doing it now while it's fresh of mind. I've been to many series, many events, and and have exercise books filled with things that I wanted to achieve. And sometimes that can be overwhelming, and you'll move into another space. But do one thing, do it well. And of course, have a look at your client base and really consider how you can be best helping them with their transition onto the cloud. We'd highly recommend you get certified. If you are not certified, you've heard Jono talk about what that means for your business and you as a practitioner. So jump on board, take opportunity to register for that in March. And of course, above all, recognize that these are difficult times and you are facing into a really vibrant, but probably hectic tax season. So please take care of yourself, take care of your practice, and of course, take care of your small business clients. These continue to be unprecedented times, and your health trumps everything. So be sure to look after yourself through this process. And we have a final announcement. I'm sure there are hundreds of advisors on the line waiting to find out. Jono, what can you tell us about our competition?
Oh, well, Amanda, it was a really close race, but we're happy to announce that Natalie Naidu took first place there. It was really close, and some great engagement from everybody involved. And yeah, congratulations on that Apple MacBook that you've won. Enjoy it.
Yeah, that's fantastic. Look, it's good to have a bit of fun in amongst these days. So on that, we are going to say congratulations, Natalie. Thank you to everybody who has joined us. It has been a great pleasure to put on these series over the last 2 weeks. We trust that you've taken something away. Good luck for your tax season. We are backing you. Our account managers are here to support you in any way that you need in the coming weeks ahead. Thanks, Jono, for being with us.
Thanks, Amanda. Thanks to everybody for joining us today, and hope you enjoy the rest of the year, and good luck.
Terrific. Have a nice day, everybody.
Cheers.